Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some clay art and I'm gonna be drawing Drippy from Ni No Kuni Cross Worlds. I basically googled Ni No Kuni Drippy and then you get all those examples of him. Well, of course that's what you do if you Google image. So I ended up drawing him. I basically did the basic draw. I haven't done it for so long, but I made it super simple. I did the colors just to have a reference. Then I drew, I don't think you can see it actually, it's too light. And I drew him sitting and one of him laying down. Can you see that? A little bit. So I'm gonna probably make him sit down in my clay art. Though I want to see how it looks like, or have an example if I don't want him sitting. I can also do lying. I don't think I will have him standing up because he has two small legs. They will probably break if I make it like that, if I bake it. So yeah, that's the first step. And now I'm actually gonna clay it. First I need to clean my desk a bit, and then we can go on with making it. I'm probably gonna do it like in sections, like make the body and then the small side piece like the arms and the lantern and such like that. So I can just stick it together and I'll show you when I'm finished with that, so I can show you what I did. That's the plan. It may actually be handy to show what I'm using. So I'm using Fimo. It's soft clay, which you have to bake yourself at home. I have color yellow. Let me see where the color definition is at. Peppermint. Oh, this is lime. Peppermint. I have mandarina, black, I have some white, I have some apple green, emerald, and tropical green. I'm not sure which green I'm gonna use. I'm probably gonna use the emerald and the peppermint. But I have them just in case with me. And I also have some tools. I have a lot actually. Well, maybe I should just show you my one. Just to sculpt it a little bit. So yeah, that's what I'm using. And I'm actually gonna make it. And I'll be back in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back. So I made several parts. I made the body. I made two legs. You can see that. Nope. That's fine as well. The body, two legs, the head, two small arms. Can you see that? No, I'm not even in the screen. The head, two arms. Why does it not stay up? Okay, that's now. I have the lantern over here, which is the body part, the bottom, top. Oh. And then I have four small yellow squares. And then I have a ring for the lantern, the mouth. The eyes are over here, which is super small. Those are the pupils. And over here on white, we have 2 white eye whites. I'm gonna assemble it now, and I will come back after that. This is probably the hardest part to put it together without actually crushing them, because I'm making it very small. But yeah. So I finished putting the body together, and then I will show it. Basically sitting, that's what I went for. And then now next step, I'm gonna make the lantern. Oh my god, I fucked up the whole lantern. But I will go with it. He's a bit big actually, the lantern, but I'm gonna rest it on his lap. Basically like this. I'm gonna make the eyes now and the face. And then put the lantern on as well, and then that should be done actually. I have to bake it then. Yeah. I ended up going with the peppermint color. I think that will correspond the most with the actual color of the figure. Drippy. So yeah, I'm gonna put the eyes and the mouth on it, and we'll see how it turned out then. I have the eyes and the mouth attached. Looks so happy. I'm gonna add the lantern now, and then I should be done. I have to bake it then, and then it's completely finished. I attached the lantern. I think it's looking pretty cute. So yeah, you can sit down. Well, he's sitting down, so obviously he can sit down. But yeah. I'm actually happy with how it turned out. It was a bit harder because it was starting off so small. It would have been a lot easier if I started up like about this size. But I'm happy regardless. One thing that I forgot to do was actually wash my hands beforehand. And the yellow and the white were getting a little bit dirty, but apart from that, I'm really happy with the results. So now I have to bake it, but I will post a picture on my Instagram when it's finished baking. I hope you enjoyed this small little tutorial about how to make Drippy from Ni No Kuni. I hope it all makes sense. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!